Hi, before we start, I'd like to share with you the circle of success of a masterful engineer. What we like to do is to aim big, and that's why we aim at these 5 important points. So number 1, to have a positive mindset and personal development. Number 2, attract customers via Google reviews. Number 3, do a first-rate job by following the masterful engineer ethics. Number 4, retain customers for repeat business. And number 5, gain referrals from existing customers. So that's it. Now, on with the show. Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a Worcester Greenstar 440 Highflow. So in today's video we got a nice little quiz for you, and hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. So basically the question to this video is basically we look at the pressure gauge. I'm going to put it on heating. So for what I'm going to do to get it hot quick, I'm going to press this button here. This is the chimney sweep button. I'm going to hold that in until that changes orange, and then I'll fire the boiler up. So yeah, it's just changed now. So what we're going to do, we're going to monitor the pressure gauge, and then I'm going to give you a question. It's been on for a few minutes now. You can see the temperature's going up, and we've got an increase on the pressure gauge. So we'll just monitor that for a bit longer. Now you can see the temperature, it's getting up to 75 now, but look at the pressure gauge, that's going past 2.5, it's heading towards 3. So you can see it's going up. So the question is, I've got 2 questions for you actually. So what do you think are the 2 reasons why this pressure gauge would go up like this? So we put the heating on, as you see what done, the burner's on, the temperature's going up and the pressure's going up. So what are the 2 reasons you think would cause this problem? So if you know what the problem is, or the problems are, just drop me a post below this email. Now you can find out more about doing training, or you can do even better still, you can find out more about my boiler repair library, because you can see more in-depth videos of me out in the field doing repairs and how I actually do that. So as I said, if you want to find out more, click on the link below and you can see from there. So that's going to be it on this video for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.